Hello, fellow traders. Black Coffee Trader coming to you. Today is Thursday, July the 25th. And once again, we had a green day. I'm starting to like this. I'm really liking this micros on these 50K PAs. It's not big numbers, but it's consistent. And the win rate is very, very good. The best I've ever had. So yeah, today I took 6 trades, I believe, and had 1 losing trade. This top account headed at 130 in profit, and then took a $48 loss right here. But just kind of sticking to these levels here. I was getting a bounce through the initial balance high and this key level marked out. Took a bounce or a long trade through there that worked out really good. And then here, as we came back down and tested out this kind of a test of IBH and this key level. What is this level? 19,240. I took a couple of long trades off of this and then got a little bit too aggressive here at the end, was going for more, and that's where I took that loss, and that's where I stopped trading for today on the funded accounts. But yeah, I'm really liking the micros. I really am. I'm trading with 3 or 4 contracts, and just like here, once you get up, I think I was up 130, yeah, and then I took this trade, and I can absorb a loss and I'm still green. That's so much easier than it is on, I don't know, it's just, I'm taking the same ticks, the stop loss is the same ticks, so I'm not quite sure why I trade it better, but I absolutely do. And I think I'm I'm back into that mode of being very precise about my entries, and yeah, just managing the trades well. So go figure. But hey, I'm going to take it. I'm going to keep trading this way. I'm pretty happy with this 56 account. This is the lifetime funded account that I have, and got this thing built back up. I think I was at 292 left in drawdown on Monday, I think it was. And so we've got that up to 456 now. So just slow and steady. I'm not going to look for big numbers on this. I don't care if it takes me a long time to get this account to a payout. So that is great. Very, very happy with that. On the 55, that's what's showing, 55 account. 56 account, oddly enough, this is interesting. On the 55 account, all the trades were long trades. On the 56 account, I only took 2 trades, and those were both short trades, both winners, but both short trades. So yeah, that was really good. Let's take a look at TradeZella. So here's today again. Profit factor today was excellent. The average win-loss was a bit better than yesterday, and the win rate still above that 80% range, which is very, very good. I am quite happy with that. And we are on the week. We are almost at break even. I need $40 tomorrow, and we will finally have another green week. And even with the Monday, before I switch to the micros, my win rate's at 61.9 for this week. And if I change this to the 23rd to the 25th, the last 3 days since I've been trading this, I'm at an 83% win rate, $311, great profit factor. These are really, really good numbers. So I am hopeful that we can stick with this and keep this running. Yeah, definitely feel like we're turning a bit of a corner. So that is such a good feeling. Now, moving on, I had another really good day, and I finally passed my first 150K account. So very happy with that. Through the process, though, I did lose a 250K account and a 50K. So I lost 2 evals today. Had another rocky day on this take profit account, which stinks. But we did pass this 150K account. I'm very, very excited about that. Very happy about that. Basically, what happened is I caught this move to the downside at the end of the day, and I was trading with 5 contracts and just milking it. Traded quite a bit on this level, and also caught a little bit up here on this move down. But yeah, right here at the end of the day, I was just very aggressive. Had a couple of losses, a couple like $1,000 losses, but the last 3 trades, just jumping into this move down with 5 to 10 contracts. So $1,000 winner, $2,800 winner, Off this level here, we had a 600 and then a 1800, and then finished it off with a $2,500 trade. Again, I was trading, I believe I was trading five. Okay, I was trading 5 contracts for the most part. I thought I had 10 at one point. Okay, this is, I think this is where I had 10, and they were split 3 and 7 or something like. Anyway, I'm not sure. Maybe it was only 5. But anyway, very, very happy with that. Just got into that move. And the thing that really stands out to me is right here. I was very, very tempted to go long here. When we caught this big wick and this candle was very undecided what it wanted to do, obviously a doji candle. And I was really tempted. In fact, I had a buy order there a couple times to go long, and I didn't get filled. I don't know, I didn't really have it there for any length of time. I put it on, then didn't like it, you know, and just didn't get the fill, and I decided, you know what, I'm going to stay away. And I just waited until we got some confirmation on this candle that I believe this is going down, and boy was I right. So patience and waiting for confirmation, such a critical thing, and if I can just exercise that at all times, we become so much better. The unfortunate thing with this take profit account, and really all these other accounts, so technically I made almost over $8,000 on this account today. Last night I traded a little bit in the overnight session, copy trading the 250K, the 150K, my 50K account, and then this take profit, and I had all 4 of them down to like minus 700. So today I got this back, but then got this back up, not quite to green, but then gave it back, and so I had to quit trading this account because of the daily loss. I didn't want to hit that. And then I kept working on the other 3 evals, 2 of which are no longer with us. And then, yeah, had the success here. So I am very, very excited about having a 150K funded account. Not quite sure how I'm going to trade it. I do think I'm going to stick to minis with that one instead of micros, just because of the I have, you know, $5,000 of drawdown, I believe, on that account. So, yeah, I'm just going to be trading that with minis, I think, unless I change my mind. But taking advantage of this $85 lifetime PA fee, which I am so happy about. So yeah, that's a big win. And just I guess that passing that account on the heels of having 3 back-to-back green days really just feels good. It really feels good. I don't want to, you know, I'm not going to say that you know, we've turned a corner and, you know, now we're going to trade better for a while. I mean, red days are going to happen, red weeks are going to happen. It's the life of a trader. But it does feel better to be out of that little hole that I was in for a couple of weeks. So again, thank you. Appreciate you guys. Appreciate you following along. If you're new here, feel free to like and subscribe. I try to do these videos every day. I'm taking you along on my trading journey. And again, I want to say thank you to those of you using my code BCT for the best discount with Take Profit Trader and also Apex. And just a quick reminder again that Take Profit 40% off lifetime, no activation fee sale is ending this Sunday. So take advantage of that if you are using Take Profit. And again, we have this awesome deal, which I get to participate in now with passing this 150K, where we get the account for a lifetime fee of $85. That is awesome. So yeah, pretty happy tonight. Good day. I'm very, very happy with the way this week is going, and hope you had a good day as well. This market, as we could see, has been just crazy. And once again, the volatility today was incredibly high. Volume and volatility again all day long. So curious to see what this thing does. I actually haven't taken a look at the, here, let's change this a little bit. So yeah, from the highs here about a week and a half ago, we are definitely falling off the wagon. So I'm kind of curious to see where this thing goes over the next week or two, if we continue to sell off or if we find a rebound at some point. So anyway, day by day, that's what we do. It's how we do it. All right, once again, thank you. Appreciate y'all. Have a great night. I'll try to have an update for you tomorrow afternoon. So long.